Hi, and welcome to Crandall Office Furniture. In this tutorial, we will show you how to properly reassemble a Steelcase Leap version 2 chair. Now, turn the chair base upside down and install the casters by firmly pressing them into the holes at the end of each leg. Turn the chair base over, placing it right side up on its casters. Take the plastic wrap off the gas cylinder and then drop the gas cylinder into the base. Place the chair base with the gas cylinder installed on the floor. Line up the shaft on the gas cylinder with the receiver hole on the chair assembly and then press firmly into place. Make sure the seat glides are in place. The glides will only fit one way and are clearly labeled with an R for right side and an L for left side. Then, while depressing the seat pan adjuster, slide the seat pan onto the track. With that, assembly is now complete. Thank you for watching this Crandall Office Furniture tutorial on how to properly reassemble a Steelcase Leap version 2 chair.